Hello and welcome back to G Culture Pattern. Today we are sewing a man's kurta with a professional finish. I will show you exactly how to get that sharp arrow placket and crucially how to use the specific L-shape guide stitch to get your collar placement perfect. Ensure all your pieces are cut, front and back, sleeves, collar pieces, pocket bag. Transfer all the notches from the paper pattern to your fabric as these are your roadmaps for construction. First, take the front kurta piece. You will see a center line marked on the pattern. This line shows where the placket opening will be. Carefully cut on this line. Do not cut beyond the marked length. Now take the canvas strip that is 1 inch wide and the same length as the placket opening. This canvas gives strength and shape to the placket. Place the canvas on the wrong side of the fabric exactly along the cut line. The canvas should fully cover the opening. Now stitch straight lines on both sides of the cut line, very close to the edges. Stitch slowly and keep the line straight. Now that the canvas is there, we mark our guide. Stitch an L shape on the canvas right at the neck opening. Remember, this L stitch is your landmark. It is not for the placket shape, it is the placement guide for the top collar. When we attach the collar later, the end must align perfectly with this line. At the bottom of the placket, fold it neatly to form a clean arrow shape. Now stitch across the arrow to lock the placket. Join your shoulder seams first. Now cut the collar pieces. You will need one collar piece with canvas, one collar piece in fabric only. Fuse or attach the canvas to one collar piece. Place both collar pieces right sides together. Stitch the sides and top edge of the collar. Trim the corners, turn it right side out and press neatly. Now attach the collar to the neckline and top stitch. Next, take the sleeves. Finish the sleeves hem first by folding and stitching neatly. Now join the sleeves to the armhole. Now we will mark the side pocket position from the hip area. Mark 4 inches upward, then 7 inches. This is the pocket area. We'll fold the raw edges and stitch from the start of pocket marking to sides. Then hem the bottom of the kurta and sew the sides starting from sleeves to hip marking or kurta opening, leaving the pocket area. Now we will finish the pockets. Sew the bottom edge first, then fold the fabric up 6 inches to create the back depth. Sew the two sides of this folded section to close the pouch. Sew the curved part at the top of the pocket to wrong side. Place the prepared pocket bag inside the kurta. First, sew a horizontal stitch attaching the bottom of the pocket bag to the kurta. Finally, from the outside, align the pocket mouth. Top stitch the curved shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to G Culture Pattern for more pattern making and sewing tutorials. All my sewing patterns are available in the description box. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.